Everybody send prayers that she'll be able to get up and show up.
I'm not taking pictures of it.
Oh no.
Say hi.
Skylar.
Say hi, Papa. Hey guys, that was just a short little clip of the year 2013 and what it has given me. So many fun memories, and I thank you to all my friends and family and my amazing boyfriend. I love you all, and I'm so blessed and I can't thank you enough. So I hope y'all enjoyed watching. Thanks guys.